Today we're going to cover how to sort in Google Sheets using either one or many columns. Okay, so let's get started. I have a sheet here with 4 columns, so we have plenty of data that we can sort by. The first thing I want to show you is where to find the sort function. Go up to data up the top here, and you can see sort sheet and sort range. Sort range becomes available when you have a range selected. Sort sheet does as it suggests, and it sorts the entire sheet by the criteria you stipulate. Sort range will only sort the range that you have chosen. They work slightly differently, so I'm going to show you some examples now. Sort sheet is the easiest one and most commonly used, so I'm going to use that function now to sort by column B. To do this, we can highlight the whole column or just any cell within the column. Go to Data, Sort Sheet, and go A to Z. Now the first thing you'll notice is that the header column has been included in the sort, which is not ideal, but it is an easy fix. The second thing you'll notice is that it's kept the rows together. So let's undo this and show you how to exclude the header column from the sort. You can see these big heavyset grey lines up here. If you mouse over them, you will get a little hand symbol. You can just hold that down and drag it to underneath the header, and that freezes this whole row and it won't be included in your sort. So let's try that again. Data, sort sheet, column B, and now we have it, all our students alphabetized. What say we want to group them by year? We can click into column C, data, sort sheet, sort by column C. Now we have it by year group. So what if we want to sort year 5 and only year 5 by its grades? We can highlight all of the students within year 5, go data, sort range, advanced sort range, and then go column D. But what if we want to do this for all of our classes? So I would select the whole sheet, go up to data, sort range, and advanced range sorting options. You can click into this data has header row. If you haven't already frozen your rows, this will stop the header row from being included in your sort. The other thing it does is it gives you the name of the columns here, so it's easier to pick if you've got a large set of data, which column you want to sort by. So first we want to sort by class because we want to keep them all together in class, but then we also want to sort by grade from highest to lowest. We can then go sort, and there we have it. Year 5 and all their grades, year 6 and all of their grades, year 7, etc. One last thing to note when sorting is that you can use the filter function to sort as well. So we can go up here and go data, create filter. What this does is it then allows you to filter by any of the columns. So first we can click on the filter and we can go sort A to Z by class, or for instance we want it in date order, we can do it by date, by student, by class. It saves you going up to data every time you want to sort, and by grade, but you can't do the two column sort, class and grade, through this method. But what if we just want to see a small amount of our data, so we are only interested in year 8? We can filter so that we can just see year 8 and then sort by grade. I hope you found that little hack helpful. We hope you found today's video helpful. If you did, please click the subscribe button below so we can make more useful content just for you.